Nous sommes en audience publique, Monsieur le Président.
Mr. President, we are in public session.
Mr. Witness, do you know of an organization called Mungiki?
I don't know it, but I hear about it.
And if you have heard about it, you probably heard that it is a Kikuyu sect. Is that right?
Yes.
And it is a sect that is known for beheading their victims and displaying their heads, correct?
Yes.
And Mr. Witness, you would agree with me that it is a sect that operates in many Kikuyu-dominated towns and villages, correct?
I'm not aware.
But are you aware, Mr. Witness, that this is a sect that also operated in Langas?
I'm not aware.
Mr. Witness, is it your testimony that you have never heard of the presence of Mungiki in Langas in 2007 and 2008? Is that your testimony?
I have heard about it, but I cannot testify facts that I know them.
Yes, the question, Mr. Witness, is, are you aware that Mungikis operated in Langas in 2007 and 2008?
I'm not aware.
Perhaps I should repeat the question. The question is, it's not whether you know the Mungikis. The question is whether you are aware that they in fact operated in Langas in 2007 and 2008.
Council, Council, what's the difference? So that because I am also not sure I understand the difference between know and aware. In terms of your...
Yes, Mr. Witness, being aware of their existence in a particular location and knowing who are the members are completely different. If I think that by saying I don't know them, I understood the witness to be suggesting that he could not identify who is Mungiki and who is not. So perhaps maybe I should just ask a clarifying question.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. Witness, you are not being asked whether you can identify the members of the Mungiki. Do you understand? You are not being asked whether you can identify them.
Yes, I understand.
The question is, are you aware that Mungikis were operating in Langas in 2007 and 2008?
Council, wait. That question becomes vague if you're using the word awareness. You might want to rephrase it in terms that are more concrete in appreciation so that we are not having the witness answering a different question from what you're asking.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Perhaps maybe this would help. Hold a second. Mr. Witness, do you know whether or not Mungikis participated in the violence in Langas in 2007-2008?
I'm not aware.
Very well. Mr. Witness, you told us earlier that after houses were burned in Langas, on your way back to Konambaya, you came across a group of Kikuyus. Do you remember that?
I met them at Konambaya.
And do you recall telling the court that you went...
Wait. When we go into private session for a second.